Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Some croutons are prepared with the addition of cheese. Nearly any type of bread, in a loaf or pre-sliced, with or without crust, may be used to make croutons. Dry or stale bread or leftover bread is usually used instead of fresh bread. Once prepared, the croutons will remain fresh far longer than unprepared bread.
Take our lead.
Croutons. Croutons aren't the worst offenders when it comes to diet disasters, but they add calories from processed grains without providing any nutritional benefit. And many times the croutons are fried, so they add unnecessary fat to your otherwise healthy meal.
Let's help you make your mark.
Our favorite store bought croutons for Caesar salad. The cheesy one, fresh gourmet classic Caesar croutons. The herby one, Reese Caesar salad croutons. The basic one, Whole Foods 365 Caesar croutons. The rustic one, Chatham Village Caesar salad croutons. The winner, Cardina's Caesar croutons, the 3rd of August 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most croutons do not qualify as vegan. Most contain milk products or derivatives. It's a shame, because there's really no need for any animal ingredients in this food product, because white bread, seasoning, and a bit of plant-based margarine are all that's really necessary for standard croutons.
Let's help you make your mark.
To refresh stale croutons, put them in the oven at 300 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes until they've crisped up. Alternatively, you can pan fry them in a bit of butter and seasoning if you want to make sure they're full of flavor. 19 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.